Hi everyone, hope you're well. I've been back home to build some projects for the other channel, but on my time off I've been doing little bits and bobs on the golf, and unfortunately I hadn't had the time to do those and film at the same time, but I thought I'd just give you a quick update and go around and see what's been done. I think the most important thing to get done is to work on this engine so that I can get it running. The engine, the original engine is an 8-valve 1.8 GTI normally aspirated, and I've put the 16-valve from the Mark II and a turbo and intercooler and everything to go with it. So that's the intercooler, and that's the radiator, the original one. As you can see, 10 years of being just sat there have really taken its toll, and things have started to rust, and a lot of things that kind of had done and they were new, they're no longer new. So the big debate that I have with this engine is, should I strip it back, make it really simple and just make it 16 valve atmospheric, or should I try to pursue the turbo thing? So that's the big question. So since I can't get to that at the moment, I thought I'd work on other things that can move the project along and keep it a little bit cleaner. So I've actually put this window in. So it was only the one on the other side that's been in since I've redone it, and this window's been off. So I've put that on, and I've also put on the cloth on that side. I've also put the window on the tailgate, and I've put the tailgate in the car so there's no more dirt going in that way. I've put on the locking mechanism and the lift as well, so the boot is fully functional. I might replace these rubbers because they're the original ones that came with the car, but at least now that the windows and the back hatch is on, I should be able to clean all this and it won't get as dirty as it was. And that's that cloth panel I was talking about. But at least now that the windows and the back hatch is on, I should be able to clean all this and it won't get as dirty as it was. And that's that cloth panel I was talking about. And then also I had the doors lying around, so I thought I might as well install them. I can't really put the windows for the front doors on because these are the rails that hold the windows up. The actual winding up mechanism is fine, but these are just in way too poor condition to actually use them in the car. So I've ordered those, and once they're here I should be able to build the doors up and build back the doors up, and the windows should be fully shut, which means the car will be sealed. And then it's a case of working on the engine, and to start with I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to strip it all out, and for that I think I'm going to have to strip some of the peripherals out and then see where it goes. I'm still debating where to go, turbo or natural aspirated, because I really don't have the time for the car to give me a lot of hassle, and I'm not even living where the car is right now, so it's really hard to get access to it and time to work on it. But yeah, that's the update. So that's it for this one. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope I'll have some more time to work on the car soon, but we'll see how that goes. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.